Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome to my channel. This is a 14 by 18 inch called Midnight. And here's my colors. That's a really dark indigo and black base coat. That's a white paint, Modern Masters Iridescent Pearl. And then that is Atelier Rich Gold. And then I have a few different high flow colors here in white and iridescent gold from Golden Fluid High Flow. Okay, so this is, I've played around with a dark base coat for the Pearl technique on quite a few different occasions, and I've never felt like I quite got what I was going for as far as just kind of the overall feel of the painting. So I'm trying something a little bit different here, just with the technique. So I started with that black base coat, and then I'm going to kind of splash down some colors. And then that's the Atelier Rich Gold. And I will put these recipes below so you know how I mixed all of these different paints. I mixed the base coat differently than I mixed the colors. And I'm going to go in with the white as well and tilt it around and play with it quite a lot with my palette knife. And then you'll see a little bit of, there's the white going down. I thought kind of splattering would be a good way to get a little bit more randomness and kind of just get the paints working with each other in a little bit different way. All right, I'll let you just sort of watch and see how this process unfolds. I do some dry touch-up, and then I also show you kind of a sped-up version of how I put resin on this painting as well. And yeah, I'll be working with some dark base coats in some of my classes this summer at the Fluid Art Experience. So there's a link to that below. It's July 21st through 23rd in Dallas, and I'm teaching a series of 6 different classes. So also some other wonderful artists will be there as well. And if you have any questions, let me know. You guys take great care. Lots of ways to support me down below. And I do sell a lot of my original art on my website as well. So, all right, much love. Have a great afternoon or evening or morning, wherever you are. Okay, bye.